I have a couple chapstick holders here. You can get the pattern or you can get it in as a kit. And the kit will come with 3 of these, and you can get 3 different initials on them if you want. Just message me with the initials you want engraved on there. But this is kind of nice. You can adjust it and flip that out of the way and still apply it without pulling it out of the jobber here. But I really like to go with the thread that matches the chapstick that'll be in it. I think it looks cool. You can put a clip on these if you want instead of a key ring. But it's a nice little project. If you're not sure how to sew, you can check out that intro video on doing kits. But for this, I like to start right at the top here. That way I can just come around and continue to sew that flap from underneath. Like always, snug it up, but don't pull these stitches overly tight. If I ever question whether I'm on the front or the back, because I like to make the stitches look nice on the front, I just consider this the back where that seam will be. So I always come from the back side first and make sure the stitches go at the right angle on the front side. You can finish by back stitching, tie a knot, however you want to do it. What I like to do is come through that last hole up through the 2 layers here. You don't have to. I like to just tie a knot at this point. Then I'll come out the front side of that part. You don't have to, but I like it, and I do recommend going around the outside edges at least once. I'll actually go a couple times over all the stitches on this just to reinforce it. So that's twice. Twice around the outside, twice through that middle stitch. And then I'll come through the 2 parts right here and tie a little knot. Maybe put a dab of glue on it too. Probably a little too much glue. It just takes the tiniest little dab. And then it can help to just give that a tap with a little mallet. You may need to just stretch it a hair, open it up just a little bit to get a chapstick in there. I like to do the color of thread to match the chapstick. And you can put a clip on that if you want, or you can just throw a key ring on it. But this is kind of nice. You can adjust it and flip that out of the way and still apply it without pulling it out of the jobber here. And if you buy the kit, It'll come with 3 of these, and you can tell me if you want initials on them, what initials you want engraved on them.